Pelican Point is located in the heart of Park Shore, just steps away from the Venetian Village. This recently remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath condominium sits directly on the bay, with a large open floor plan on the 4th of 6 floors. This unit captures stunning, direct southern bay views. Originally built in 1974, renovations in 2014 added engineered hardwood flooring to the main living areas, porcelain tile to the bathrooms, and quartz countertops in the kitchen, among many other improvements. The lanai was enclosed with impact-resistant glass in 2010 to expand and protect the living area. Pelican Point Properties also includes assigned carports, guest parking, laundry in the residence, bicycle storage, and extra storage on the 4th floor. Owners have access to the community pool and grills, and as residents of Park Shore, enjoy the luxuries of living on Venetian Bay. An optional private membership to the Park Shore Association Beach Park is also available. From sunrise to sunset, the beauty, charm, and amenities of a residence at Pelican Point are unparalleled. Call me if you're interested in the Park Shore area and the unique opportunities that abound at Pelican Point.